Importing and working with data. Welcome to the Importing and Working with Data tutorial for Keyshot. An improved importer of Keyshot optimizes workflow for CAD to Keyshot, especially while working with multiple scenes. Now, with the ability to keep original size, you can be confident that your models will import at 100% accuracy, scale accuracy. Keyshot intelligently recognize your up orientation for your modeling software. A file created can be recognized in up orientation as X, Y, Z, -X, -Y, -Z. Adjusting your camera to look at geometry will automatically center your view to the imported model. Adjusting environment to fit geometry will automatically scale the environment to your model. So when you keep original size, your workflow is as smooth as an automatic import. Choose the apply material template that was previously created and import the object to your scene so that it imports with materials. When importing the second model, you can choose to add to scene and keep the original coordinates, but if the object is modeled center to the origin, then you can choose to snap to ground in the location tab. If you make changes to the model in your CAD file, you can simply select update geometry and the models will get updated with the applied materials in Keyshot. Thank you. Lesson number 6. Assigning and editing materials. Welcome to the Assigning and Editing Materials tutorial for Keyshot. You can find materials by clicking on the Library menu in your toolbar. Painting up your 3D model with the realistic material is very easy in Keyshot. You can begin with raw data, but to speed up workflow, you can apply shaders to the group or layers of material in your CAD application. Either way, applying materials to your object or model is as easy as dragging and dropping materials to your object or part of object. Hovering the material over a part will show you the preview. Simply release the mouse button to assign. Browse subfolders or search for a specific material in the search tab. Parts with the same shader are linked, so if you apply a material to one part, it will give you the same material to all the hardware. To avoid this, you have to right click on the part that you want to apply a separate material to and select unlink material. Now you can assign material to the part as an individual. To copy, paste and link one material to the other and different parts, you press shift plus left click to copy and then shift and right click to paste on the selected part. Or you can select all the parts you want to assign the same material in the scene tree and select link materials. You can also apply materials by editing the pre-existing diffuse shader. Double-clicking on your material to edit and then change the type. This way the color that was applied in CAD will be maintained. You can then change the color by selecting the color of your choice in your color tab. Each material adjustment parameters are different, some simple, some more complex. You can see a list of all materials used in the scene under the Materials tab in the project window. You can drag and drop from your or double click to edit. To select parts which have a specific material, you can right click on that material in the Material tab and select parts with material. This can also be done in the real-time window. To select Lastly, once the part is selected, you can give it rounded edges. In the Properties tab, the recommended value should be under 0.3.